Advantage of profit and loss account.
Preparation of profit and loss account gives following advantages. Number 1. It gives overall view of the results of a business, which can be used for intra-firm and inter-firm comparisons. Number 2. It provides details of indirect expenses, which is of great help for controlling. Number 3. Profitability ratios, which are of great interest to financial analysts, such as net profit ratio, operating ratio, return on capital employed, etc., are based on figures contained in profit and loss account. Number 4. The figure of net profit as revealed by income statement can be suitably adjusted to ascertain cash from operating activities. The figure of cash flows is of major concern to security analysts and other users of accounting information.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave your valuable advice below. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update, and share it with your friends.